Horoscope for the year 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to our Astro Yogi channel. I am Acharya Ananya and we will discuss in detail the year 2022 for every single zodiac sign. Like the year 2020, the year 2021 has been challenging for all of us. However, the vaccine has given a ray of hope, and if the vaccination process goes successfully, the forthcoming year will bring plenty of joy and excitement. With the arrival of a new year, every individual wishes to know their future. We want all our dreams to get fulfilled in the forthcoming year. But there are numerous challenges we might have to face. It's always a good idea to prepare ourselves for all future challenges. There can be some questions regarding how your career would be, your business, married life, finances, relationship and health would be in the year 2022. Besides this, many people wonder whether the new year will be lucky for them or will it bring challenging or problematic situations. To answer all these questions, Astro Yogi has prepared a yearly horoscope for all of you. In the yearly horoscope, you will learn about your future as per your zodiac sign. For example, in the field of work, what kind of result will you achieve in 2022? When it comes to finances, whether you will earn money or your expenses would increase. More questions like how will your behavior and relationships will be with your family members, or will your love life will become more romantic or would it be filled with problems? The answers to all these questions can be found in the yearly horoscope we have created for you. But before beginning the yearly horoscope 2022, let us first look at the first house for the major house transits, solar and lunar eclipses and important festivals that will be taking place in 2022. Also, you will be provided with a lucky number, lucky color and astrological tips as per your zodiac sign. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Also do like, share and comment if you like the video. Major house transits of the year 2022. Let's discuss that. Saturn, Rahu, Ketu planets will also transit in 2022. Let's discuss them. On Tuesday, 2022, 12th of April, Rahu transits from Taurus to Aries. And on the same date, Ketu transits from Scorpio to Libra. After this, Jupiter would transit from Aquarius to Pisces on Wednesday, 13th of April 2022. Then, on 29th of April 2022, Saturn will transit from Capricorn and enter Aquarius. However, on the 12th July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and shift to Capricorn. Major eclipses of the year 2022. In the year 2022, there will be 2 solar eclipses and 2 lunar eclipses. Solar eclipses. The first solar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 30th of April 2022 in the partial solar eclipse. This eclipse will be noticeable in South America, Antarctica, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Also, the second solar eclipse will be a partial solar eclipse and it will occur on Tuesday, 25th of October 2022. This eclipse will be noticeable in Urals, Middle East, Northeast of Africa, Europe and West Asia. Now let's talk about lunar eclipses. The first lunar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 15th or 16th May in a blood moon. This will be seen in some parts of South America, Europe, Africa and Asia. The second lunar eclipse will happen on 8th of November 2022 as a complete lunar eclipse. Now this eclipse will be noticeable in many parts of North America, Australia, Asia, North and East parts of Europe and several parts of South America. Major festivals for the year 2022 are Holi, which would be celebrated on Saturday, 19th March 2022. Hindu New Year 2079 will begin from 2nd April 2022. Chaitra Navratri will be celebrated from 2nd April to 10th April 2022. Raksha Bandhan will be 11th August 2022. Ganesh Chaturthi 31st August 2022. The starting of Shardiya Navratri would be from 26th September to 4th October 2022. Vijayadashami, that is Dussehra, the festival of triumph of good over evil, would be celebrated on 25th of October 2022. Karwa Chauth will be celebrated on Thursday, 13th October 2022. The festival of Diwali will be celebrated on Monday, 24th November 2022. If you want more details, you can go to our official website Astro Yogi and get all the details plus auspicious time and worship method. So you viewers, the year 2022 will begin with Virgo Ascendant, Scorpio and Jyeshtha Nakshatra. Aquarius Annual Horoscope 2022. Let's get to know how the year 2022 will be like for the Aquarius natives. The yearly horoscope 2022 reveals something special for you. With the New Year's arrival, everyone often gets excited about the upcoming year and its opportunities or results. Everyone wishes to be well prepared for the forthcoming year, and people pose questions regarding the new year. To answer these questions, like every year, Astro Yogi has brought your horoscope for 2022. The horoscope is based on moon signs, planet positions, constellations, etc. So let us know about Aquarius horoscope. What does Aquarius yearly horoscope signify for you? How will the year 2022 will be for Aquarius natives' love lives? What has 2022 got in store for the professional life of Aquarius natives? What are the challenges that Aquarius natives will face in this year 2022? Will they succeed in achieving new things for themselves? How will their relationship would be with their family members in this particular year 2022? So let's understand how exactly the year 2022 would be for Aquarius natives. According to Aquarius horoscope 2022, New Year will be giving mixed results for you. On the family front, differences may arise, but mutual understanding and elders' help will help you resolve the issues. On 13th of April 2022, Jupiter will enter Pisces, which will be sitting in the second house of Aquarius, due to which the time seems to be suitable for employed people, and for those who are looking for jobs will get a job this year. Saturn will transit in Aquarius on 28th of April. This position of Saturn will prove beneficial for you. If you are associated with any business, you can increase your wealth and your field is expected to expand. On 13th of April 2022, Rahu will enter Aries, which will be sitting in the third house of Aquarius. This position of Rahu will create successful situation for the Aquarius people. But you need to be aware of secret enemies. This year will be good in terms of money. Money is expected to come to you and it will be spent well. This time is expected to be hard for students. Overall, time will be good from a family point of view. Unmarried people are expected to get married this year. Married people will lead happy lives. In the matter of health, you need to be careful. You may get stressed due to excessive workload. Overall, 2022 will prove beneficial for Aquarius natives. The first solar eclipse of the year will occur on 30th of April, which will transit in the third house of Aquarius. This sun position will increase the might and the constellation will support people in business with money. Disputes may arise between the people during the partnership business. At the same time, the second solar eclipse of the year will occur on 25th of October, in which the sun will be sitting in the 9th house of Aquarius natives. This position of sun will bring a negative effect in terms of luck. There may be chances of a dispute with your spouse, due to which there will be disharmony in the house. Your best advice to avoid making decisions and postpone any journey you have planned for. The first lunar eclipse of the year 2022 will take place on 16th May, in which the moon will be sitting in the 10th house of Aquarius native. The conditions will affect your mother's health. This position of the moon is expected to bring ups and downs in the field of work, so be careful. If you are in a job profession, you are expected to handle more workload, due to which tension will remain. On the other hand, on 8th November, there will be second lunar eclipse in the third house of Aquarius native. This position of moon will be in the favor of Aquarius people. You may travel for business expansion. There will be good cooperation from young siblings. Aquarius finance horoscope is what we will discuss next. Now, according to Aquarius finance horoscope 2022, the beginning of the year will be a bit sensitive for Aquarius natives. There will be moderate success on the financial front. You are expected to spend the money on meeting your needs, such as on your health. but the payments will be so high that it can harm your financial conditions. However, your income will be good. Your heavy expenditures can worry you. You will also have to spend money on the health of your family members. At the beginning of the new year, you will spend money to meet the demands of your life partner. In that situation, you will be required to take good care of your finances. Try to protect yourself from spending a lot of money on unnecessary things which are not required. The chances of getting economic benefits, especially for those associated with sports and arts, are very high. The annual finance horoscope 2022 shows that your situation will be better than usual in terms of finance. On 13th April 2022, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will be sitting in the second house of Aquarius. There is a chance of acquiring ancestral property during this time, and there may be unexpected monetary funds coming your way. If you're seeking a loan at this time, there are chances of getting it. The money that you will invest from your loan will create benefits for you. With the capital invested at this time, there are chances of getting enriched financially. On 12th of April 2022, Rahu will transit in Aries and will be placed in the third house of Aquarius. This position of Rahu will increase your luck, and there are chances that you will get money from your business trips. On 12th of April, Ketu will transit in Libra and will be sitting in the 9th house of Aquarius. Now, this position of Ketu will create obstacles in your money-related work, but the transiting condition of the planets will help you be safe during any financial loss. According to Astroyogi's prediction, Saturn will enter Aquarius on 29th of April, which will be sitting in the first house of Aquarius. This position of Saturn will help you get economic development. The right choice of investing money at the right time will help you reach financial benefits. During this transit, there are chances that you will get immense success with less effort. During this time, you are advised not to lose your concentration. On the other hand, on 12th of July 2022, Saturn will retrograde again and move to Capricorn and will be in the 12th house of Aquarius. Due to this position of Saturn, there are chances that you might travel abroad. This will bring strength to your finances, and Jupiter is retrograde on 29th of July, which will be sitting in the first house of Aquarius. Due to this, your business relationship will increase and you will get the support of your luck. Overall, Aquarius Finance Horoscope 2022 will help you get profits from your finance and business relations that will strengthen with time. You are advised to use your time wisely and stay away from unnecessary distractions. Your accomplishments achieved during this time will benefit you from a long time, for a very long time. Now let's discuss the Aquarius Love Horoscope 2022. According to the Aquarius Love Horoscope 2022, this year will show average result for Aquarius natives. At the start of the year, your relationship with your partner may deteriorate. It is because of the rude behavior of your life partner, but you don't have to worry about this. From April to May, there are chances that you may enjoy an outing with your spouse. Try to be polite and gentle while being with your life partner. According to the annual Love Horoscope 2022, 2022 will bring instability to your married life and love life as well. On 13th April, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will be sitting in the second house of Aquarius. The position of Jupiter is going to remain usual for married and unmarried couples. On 12th of April 2022, Rahu will enter Aries, which will be sitting in the third house of Aquarius. This position of Rahu will cause quarrels between husband and wife, due to which you will have to suffer because of the erupted tension and impaired mental health. On 12th of April 2022, Ketu will enter Libra, which will be sitting in the 9th house of Aquarius. This position of Ketu will create the chances of separation between the loving natives. At the same time, it can be further developed the feeling of doubt in your relationship with your partner. Therefore, you are advised to maintain a mutual understanding and spend some quality time with your partner. Due to this, the circumstances may change and things will get comfortable. According to Astroyogi's prediction, Jupiter will retrograde on 29th of July 2022, due to which your love and married life will be pleasant. Along with this, good news can come in form of children. You will have the support of your life partner. During this period, those who want to get married will get their wishes fulfilled. Also, this position of Jupiter will be beneficial in removing the chances of separation caused by the bitterness of the relationship. Overall, the Aquarius Love Horoscope 2022 shows mixed results for your marriage and love life. You are advised not to leave your partner even in bad conditions. Don't make any arbitrary decisions. In love and married life, you are expected to move with grace. The understanding between you and your partner will help save the relationship from deteriorating. Aquarius Family Horoscope for 2022. According to the Aquarius Family Horoscope 2022, this year will be typical for you regarding matters related to your family. On 13th of April 2022, Jupiter will enter Pisces, which will be sitting in the second house of Aquarius. This position of Jupiter will be auspicious for family life, and you will also get the support of your in-laws. Rahu will transit in Aries on 12th of April 2022. Now, this position of Rahu will deprive you of the cooperation of your siblings. On the other hand, Ketu will enter Libra on 12th of April and will be sitting in the 9th house of Aquarius, as a result of which mental tension will be prevalent with your children. This period can be mentally toxic for your children. However, during this transit, you can visit a religious place with your family. According to the Annual Family Horoscope 2022, when Saturn will transit in Aquarius on 29th of April 2022, it will be sitting in the first house of Aquarius. The Lord of Aquarius is Saturn, so you have to take care of your father's health. On 12th of July, Saturn will retrograde and enter Capricorn again. Sitting in the 12th house of Aquarius, this position of Saturn will force you to stay away from family due to business-related travel, but you will get the full support of your family members. Jupiter will be in retrograde on 29th of July and will enter Aquarius. You will have the complete support of your life partner during this period. You are likely to be bestowed with the good news of conceiving and bringing a new life into this world. This position of Jupiter will bring the happiness of a newborn baby to the married couple. In the new year 2022, the transit position of Venus will be in the 2nd, 4th, 5th, 9th and 10th house, and then you will get full benefits from the family members. In this period, you are likely to acquire property that will prove a good investment for the future. Overall, Aquarius Family Horoscope 2022 will be ordinary for you in terms of family matters. You are warned not to expect anything from anyone or else you might get hurt. At this time, you and your family's interest in religious works will increase. You and your family's prestige will also increase. Now let's discuss the Aquarius Career Horoscope. According to Aquarius Career Horoscope 2022, the beginning of the year will be good for you. There will be chances of getting a promotion or transfer due to your good fortune. You are expected to get a higher position in your job and your salary may increase if you are involved in business. Your start will be good for the first month of the year and the chances are that your business may grow. You will get benefits from your valuable contacts this year. This will increase the development of your business, and in the middle of the year, the months from April to June will be somewhat challenging. So be careful during this time. You will have to work hard to enjoy the opportunities. On the other hand, if you are trying to get a job, you will be required to work hard to succeed in the interview and competitive exams. According to Annual Career Horoscope 2022, this year will benefit you from career point of view. On 13th April 2022, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will be sitting in the 2nd house of Aquarius. This position of Jupiter will be helpful for you to expand business relations. You are expected to get unexpected monetary funds, which will help you in your growth. You will get your money back to you within this period of the year. The time will be good for employed people. Those who are unemployed for a long time will get the chance of getting a job. Astro Yogi's predictions state that you will get appreciation from your higher officials. Along with this, chances are there of getting increment and promotion. On 12th of April 2022, Rahu will enter Aries, which will be sitting in the 3rd house of Aquarius. This position of Rahu will not be beneficial for those who are doing business in partnership. At this time, make sure you think carefully about investing capital in business. On 12th of April 2022, Ketu will enter Libra, which will be in the 9th house of Aquarius. This position of Ketu will bring stress to you, but you don't need to panic. You are advised to take steps forward with patience. On 12th July, Saturn will retrograde and will again move to Capricorn, which will be sitting in the 12th house of Aquarius. This position of Saturn will bring success to people doing business, especially those who are related to abroad. Jupiter will be retrograde on 29th April, due to which your business will increase. You are expected to get support from your colleagues. This is suitable time for those who are thinking of starting a business in partnership. During this time, your business will flourish and your confidence will also increase. You are advised to focus on your goals. Overall, the year 2022 will be good concerning the career front. You're warned not to take any decision under stress. Do not delay your work because this will give lots of benefits to you. You're expected to get lots of help and opportunities this year. So you're advised to take proper advantage of them and move patiently with your progress. Now let's listen to some astrological tips for Aquarius natives for 2022. Offer black sesame seeds to Shivling. Offer black sesame oil lamp to Shani Dev. Offer petha to the poor. Treat the working class people with lot of respect. Light a lamp with ghee made from cow's milk in the temple of goddess Lakshmi. This will increase your fortune. The auspicious color for Aquarius for 2022 is blue and silver, and the auspicious number for Aquarius for 2022 is 8 and 6. This is a generalized prediction for all the signs. For a personalized prediction in detail, reach out to the top astrologers now at AstroYogi.
AstroYogi, India's #1 live astrology app.